Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a ponytail with a crochet hair. You can see I already cornrowed the front of my hair and I'm left with the back of my hair. I'll be using the 3x soufull curl in 20 inches color 1B. And here you can see me doing the cornrows at the back. I don't really care about the cornrows at the back if they're neat or not, because the crochet hair will cover it. But yeah, anyways, I just cornrowed it to the best of my abilities. Who else can braid the back of their hair going upwards? I found it very difficult to do, but anyway, I succeeded in the end. But this is how I did it, and then I just braided it up into a high tiny ponytail. And after that, what I did to protect the ends was that I tucked them in. So I just used my crochet needle, as you can see on your screen, and I tucked my ends in just to protect it. And also I didn't want it to get in the way of how I was going to attach the crochet hair to my own natural hair. So here you can see me with the hair, the crochet hair strands. And I just started attaching it around my own natural hair ponytail. And the art on the wall with lines, the squiggly lines, are my 5-year-old. He wanted to give me a birthday present, and that was his birthday present to me. He glued it on the wall and he was like, "Yeah, Mom, I got you an art photo," and yeah, that's what you see on my wall. But anyways, so you can see me here attaching the ponytail to my natural hair, and the trick here is just to cover my actual natural hair ponytail. So what I did was that I just started crocheting the extensions around my own ponytail. So this part of the video is self-explanatory. I will let you watch it. So the hair extension, the crochet extension I'm using is from Fritters. Of course, Fritters has like really nice crochet hairs. I use their product a lot, so this hair was really soft. It tangled, but it's not something that I couldn't manage. I mean, it's synthetic hair, so it's bound to tangle. And in the pack, it has 3 bundles in a pack. I used only 1 pack, and I don't like my hair too full, and the 1 pack was really perfect for me. So if you want to use this hair, just know that 1 to 2 pack is enough for this style. So yeah. For reference, this hair took me tops 1 hour for the cornrow and the crochet ponytail, so it's a very quick, easy style to do. So here you can see me using the second bundle, and by this time, the second bundle, I was on the ponytail, my natural ponytail itself, and you can see me covering the hair, covering my natural hair. So all I did was like I mostly started putting the hair in front of my natural hair ponytail. And this was just after 2 bundles. You can see a little bit of my natural hair still showing. So after I added the 3rd bundle, it was so full, and yeah, really nice. So this is after I completed it. You can see I covered the front of the ponytail also. And this is the back, how it's looking. I don't mind my hair showing awkwardly, but it looks really nice. So I wanted some volume and height, so what I did was I just added this, of course, hair tie to give it like a gathered look. I don't know how to explain it, but I just wanted that look. And then I put the ends together and trimmed it off, and then I added some nice jewelries, and this is the cute finished look. Oh my god, this hairstyle, I looked so good. I loved it so much. It really framed my face, and yeah, I think it's a very beautiful hairstyle. Any beautiful lady can pull this off. It's really nice. And here I was just showing you how versatile the hair can be. You can pull it up and it looked so divine, very pretty. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and wait till the end. I have a 1 week update. Catch you up in my next video. Have a nice one. Bye. Today is Saturday, so making this hair 1 week. I just wanted to give a 1 week update, and this is how it's looking. It tangles. You see these threads here, it tangles, so all I have to do is like take it off with some scissors. So I just separate it, and whenever I see a web, I just cut it out. This is the back. This is how it's looking. My hair is really looking rough, or it looks like this because I kind of put this in a shower cap and I washed my scalp. So I didn't wet the hair, I only wet my own natural hair. I had to wash my scalp because I have dry scalp and it gets really itchy. Like in 1 week my scalp just goes crazy. So I had to wash it with shampoo, the back and the front, and then I put some oil in my hair. But I don't mind my hair looking rough because actually the hair extension actually also looks rough, so I don't care. I know I look good. So this is 1 week in the hairstyle. I have 1 week, one more week to go. I think by the second week I will start adding like some gel and more oils. I will do lots of hair care taking, but for now this is how I look with this hair. I love it. Pretty girl. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next hair video. Thanks for watching. Bye.